Welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered how to turn your YouTube channel into a profitable venture? Well, you've come to the right place because we are dedicated to unlocking the secrets of success and revenue opportunities on YouTube. With millions of users and endless potential, YouTube offers a platform for creators to not only share their passion, but also make money doing what they love. But how do you transform your channel into a profitable one? First and foremost, you need to identify your niche. Find your unique voice and focus on a specific topic that you are passionate about. This will help you stand out from the crowd and attract a loyal audience. Next, consistency is key. Regularly uploading high-quality content keeps your viewers engaged and coming back for more. Consistency builds trust, helps you establish a brand, and ultimately brings in more revenue opportunities. But it's not just about views and subscribers. You need to understand the different monetization methods available on YouTube. From ad revenue to brand partnerships and merchandise sales, there are numerous ways to generate income from your channel. Collaboration is another powerful strategy. By teaming up with fellow creators, you can tap into new audiences and expand your reach. It's a win-win situation, as collaborations often lead to increased exposure and more revenue-generating possibilities. Finally, understanding your analytics is essential. Dive into the data to see what's working and what isn't. By analyzing your viewers' preferences, you can optimize your content and make data-driven decisions that drive profitability. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to take your channel to the next level, we've got you covered. With tips, tricks, and in-depth tutorials, our channel is your ultimate guide to creating a profitable YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Together, we'll unlock the secrets of profitable YouTube channels.